Hi, everybody. Welcome to week one of the week one module of AENGL 96, your editing for college class. Now, a module, as many of you will probably know, but maybe not everyone, it's just like a big file folder that I put all the week's work in. And I just want to show you how I'm going to set up each week, okay? So you'll see my weeks go from Monday through Sunday because I know it's an online course, so you need to manage your time differently. Within that week, though, I do have deadlines for quizzes and assignments because I need to keep my own calendar. Please look at the syllabus if there's ever a problem with meeting that deadline and let me know, okay? But deadlines are important because they keep us moving forward and having goals. And if we don't, it's very easy to get lost. And I don't want that to happen to you. I want you to be very successful. Okay, so this week, we're focusing on introductions, getting to know each other, and getting to understand how the course is set up. And we're going to review verb tenses, which is our main grammar point and is an important focus for so many of us because verbs in English can be really confusing. So I have in each module, I'll have week one assignments, and all of those assignments are here too. You can find all that information, but if you click on the week one assignments, I'm just going to show you really quickly, you get the kind of an at a glance, like at one point, oh, I see what I'm going to have to do this week. But I like to also have that information here so that you can access it in different ways. Okay, so let's take a look at the week one assignments. First of all, you can't see the whole page, but you'll just say it'll tell you this is what you should do, and there's live links. Anytime you see the blue, you can click on that and access the material. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the main module, and so this week, very importantly for our grammar point, there's a analyzing verb tense video, which I'd like you to watch very carefully, maybe more than one time to grasp the concept, because we'll be using this concept all quarter long, okay? And we'll be applying it to our timed writes when we edit and that kind of thing. It can be very helpful to you. Notice I have put the first chapter of Grammar for Writing 2 in this module. That is just in case you were not able to get the book right away. However, it's important that you get the book because I'm not allowed to copy more than a chapter or two at most. I can get into trouble with that for that. So, but you can figure out how you're going to get that material, okay? Also, this week, I'm getting you ready to think about the first unit's theme, which is kindness, that we're going to be thinking about, writing about in our discussion board, like a journal. And we're also going to do our first timed write in week 3 on the subject of kindness, okay? Again, I have a header here, a header. Notice this is a header. All right, so basically these are your graded assignments, and so you can also click on these to take the syllabus quiz. Here's your week 1 discussion board where you introduce yourself, and this is a small assignment to get you ready to think about how you're going to be successful in this quarter, okay? Because everybody has a different schedule. Some of us procrastinate, meaning we wait and wait and wait. So we have to think about, how am I going to be successful? That's what this is about. And then here's a small verb tense assignment reviewing what you learn in this video as well as in your grammar book this week. Okay, so in chapter 1, I think you have to have studied or looked at pages 1 through 10 to do this very well, to be very successful. And make sure these are original sentences, okay? And then finally, at the end of each module, you'll see the extra credit. You'll have 2 extra credit opportunities every week. One is the open discussion. I'm not going to open this because this is getting long. And then there's a chance to keep a vocabulary log. I'm asking for 10 words per week for 2 extra credit points, up to 20 points this quarter. So these are wonderful opportunities to raise your grades, but you have to do them weekly. Don't dump 20 points of work on me at the end of the quarter, okay? All right, thank you very much. I'm sorry if this was a little bit long. It will be shorter next week.